Introducing Aria, the future of automotive design. Where innovation meets sustainability. With easily removable body panels, customization and repair have never been simpler. Our modular battery system allows for quick and hassle-free replacements, ensuring minimal downtime. Our low-voltage system is modular, making it easier to upgrade and repair, empowering you to take control of your vehicle's maintenance, because the right to repair is essential. Revolutionize the way you think about cars. Welcome to the future of mobility.